Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a luxury dupe bag unboxing. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. So if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Charla and I love to film pink girly videos. So if you're into that, girl, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you are here from my previous video, hey girl, welcome back. I told you guys I was filming 2 videos in one day so that I had a video to post for Wednesday and today, which is Sunday. So I'm going to be unboxing this bag. We're excited to open this bag because this is from the new collection that came out. So it is an LV bag and it is a dupe from the new Stardust collection that came out. It is like a pink glittery color that they came out with in their collection, and I got one of the bags, so I'm super excited to open this with you guys. So I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. If you guys want to know where to get this bag, I will link the seller down in the comment section down below so that you can contact them and get the exact same bag. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and open up this box. Got my scissors here and now I'm going to open up this box. So I have not opened this bag yet, so you guys will see my genuine reaction. So here is the box. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. So I'm going to, I think I can just pull the ribbon off. I'm like trying to untie it, but it's like so tightly tied. I can just take the ribbon off. So here's what it looks like. Well, this is what the box looks like, and let's go ahead and open it up. Should I close my eyes? I usually love to close my eyes with you guys so y'all can see my reaction. How do you open this? Is it, what the, oh there it is. I'm like, where is the lid to open it? The lid. Okay, here's the lid. Oh, I'm so excited. So here's the dust bag. And oh, I just love the way it smells. It smells so good. So these bags are like real leather, you guys. It's just like you're not buying them at the actual store, but it's like literally the material is the exact same thing, girl. And it does come with a shopping bag, but I usually literally just throw those away because I don't decorate my room with the bags just because they're orange and my room is pink, so it just doesn't match the aesthetic. So I don't save the shopping bags that they come with. So here it is. I'll go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, I haven't seen it, but I can kind of see it. Oh my god. It is so cute. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. Should I close my eyes? Should I close my eyes? Okay, let's close my eyes. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Can you guys see it? Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, she's cute. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. So it is literally like, wow, this is such a unique looking bag. So it has like yellow in it to make it look like it's shimmery, but I don't know if the authentic one has like actual glitter. If you are watching this and you own the authentic one, let me know if like there's actual glitter in it. I think there is supposed to be, but this one just gives it the appearance that it's glittery. So this is how it looks. It is still very, very stunning. I just love the style. I love the color. Really, really cute. This would be like literally perfect for an everyday bag. So this is how the inside looks. It is just pink, and then there's also a middle pocket. I'd have to see if they make an organizer for this bag, like the little bag insert, so I can get one. And then there's also a middle pocket here to put like your wallet or a pad or a tampon. But this is really, really cute. So I definitely need to get a little organizer for it. But that's how it looks. It's same as the original. It has like 2 divider compartments, and then the inside is like that velvet soft fabric material I don't even know what you call that. I'm like, I suck with fabrics. But anyways, it definitely looks like the original. But like I said, I just don't know if the real one has like actual glitter on it. I definitely need to look at pictures or videos of the real thing. Here is a picture of the authentic one. And it looks very, very similar. I'm not sure if the bag has glitter in it. It kind of looks the same. So I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's just a tad bit different, but it's pretty spot on, to be honest. This is a very good dupe, so I really, really do like this. So this is how it looks in the back. It's like, I would have to show you guys a picture of it in the light. Maybe if I take a picture of it, I'll put a little clip here of how it looks in the sunlight. But I just think this is so pretty. And it does come with the little strap. So it comes with the option for a crossbody strap or just like a little handheld strap. So it comes with two options. So it is getting dark, so I'm trying to hurry up and film this, so if the lighting won't be that bad. But I just filmed another video before this, so I'm like losing daylight, and then I had to let my camera charge because my camera was dying. I need to get a backup battery. So it does come with a crossbody strap, which I don't know if I could actually use this as a crossbody because of how lengthy it is. It's not like as long as I like would expect it to be. So this is how it looks with the strap. So this is kind of like something I would definitely have to carry over my shoulder like this. Or if I want to add my own chain strap on it, I could do that too. But yeah, as far as the strap goes, I don't know why this, oh, I guess it does. Oh, I lied, you guys. It actually does get longer. You just have to unbuckle it. So, oh, okay. That's what I was wondering. I was like, am I not gonna be able to wear this crossbody style? Okay, so here, okay, hold on. I'm trying to figure this out with you guys. Oh, okay, so you can make it bigger. Okay, so let me put it across. Let me put it across, girl. It's still like as you can see, it like hits me at my hip, so it's like literally right under my boob. It would still be too short of a strap for me, but like I said, I can just put my own crossbody strap if I truly want to carry it across my body. I will just change the strap, and then there's also an option to carry it just, you know, just to carry it by hand on the crook of your arm. So here's how the little strap looks. You just want to carry it like this, and then you can also add like a twilly and dress it up. But here is how she looks. This is my large. Well, this is like the regular size now in a way, and I honestly use this only in the fall time because it just like screams fall to me. So this is how the large, well, it's not large, it's like regular size. So this is how the regular size looks compared to the small size. So honestly, it's just a tad bit smaller. It's not even that much smaller, but you can see the size difference. So this is the BB and this is the regular size. So this is like my go-to fall bag. I always use this in the fall. And this is, I just love the size of it, like I said, because sometimes when I use this, I feel like it's too big for me sometimes. And I only use it when I carry a lot of stuff. But this one is just perfect for every day, and I feel like this will fit a lot of things in here. So if you guys want to see a what fits in my nail no way, I mean, I guess we can do that now since we're only like 10 minutes in this video. This is the purse that I'm using right now. This is my little Coach, I think it's called Casey, little tote bag. And it's kind of like similar to the same size. So I just love bags like in this size because it's just perfect for every day, because I don't really carry that much stuff with me. So right now I have my little pochette bag, and the only thing that I have in here is like lipsticks and a roller ball from Victoria's Secret. So I keep those in there just because I don't want to risk like getting the inside of my bag dirty if one of them like busts open or leaks. So that's what I carry in my pochette. So that does fit perfectly on one side. And I definitely need to go on Amazon and see if they make organizers for this style bag. And then I also have my card holder. This is from Shop Pink Princess, and this goes perfectly with it because it is pink. And then I also have my car keys. The wristlet is from Victoria's Secret, and the key case is from Amazon. And literally, you guys, that's all that I have with me right now, because that's all that I carry most of the time, is just like my little essentials. I also carry a hand cream, but I think it's in one of my other bags. I also carry a little hand cream, and then of course the phone will fit in there, and you could still fit like so much more things in here. Like you can fit a compact mirror, you can fit a hairbrush in here, you can fit some makeup in here. But this is just a really good sized bag. Like I said, the only thing I didn't like is the crossbody strap. I wish it was longer. But for those of you girls who are not tall like me, you could get away with this strap. You will probably like it, but for me, I just wish it was longer. So I probably will just change it to like a chain strap, which is no big deal for me. But I really do like this option too, so you can just carry it by the hand, and I will just probably leave that on there. But I really do like it. What do you guys think? It is so cute. I'm also getting another bag in this color, but it is going to be a different style. It's going to be the on the go, like my pastel bag. I'm getting the same color in that style, which we'll probably get here in like 2 weeks. So I'm definitely going to be doing another luxury bag dupe unboxing soon. But for this one, I give this like, I think you guys would like this if you're into the Neo Noe bags. And you just want a mini size version. I think this is a really good style to go with. I don't know if the real one is worth it. If you guys have the money for it, definitely, I mean, I would get it too, but like I said, I'm not going to be buying any real bags for a while, just because I spent so much on my pastel bag. So I'm not going to be buying any more real bags for a little while, so dupes are gonna have to do for me. But I think this is really good if you guys want a cute dupe. She's super pretty. I feel like in the sunlight she's gonna be even prettier. It's just because the sun is already setting, so you guys can't really see her in all her glory. But I'll probably post like a little video clip here so that you guys can see her in the sunlight. I'll post a little video. But I think she's so cute, so let me know what you guys think of her. And like I said, if you want to see an updated bag collection video, let me know down in the comments. I probably won't film that until I'm in my other house, in my new beauty room, because you guys should see my room right now. It is like a big mess. But yeah, that was it for this little video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing, and I hope you guys are excited for the next video. I will most likely be doing an updated house update on my beauty room and stuff. So yeah, that was it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And that was it. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.